Day 32 of the 100 Days of Making Comics Challenge. I'm Joshua Kemble, and the 100 Days of Making Comics Challenge is where you spend 30 minutes a day, minimum, working on your own personal comic projects. And I'm working on Quarterly Stories, which is my graphic novel that I handwrite, hand letter, and hand ink, and then hand to you, hopefully someday in print. But until that day, it's available serialized online at quarterlystories.com, or you can find it on Tapas by searching for Quarterly Stories. So I'm super sick today. I actually had to call out of work, but I did manage to get my 30 minutes a day done on my own personal comic project, because that's how I roll. So this is the stray we found. And so we're hoping to hopefully find the previous owners of that dog, because that kind of sucks for that little guy. So hopefully we'll find his owners. But anyhow, other than that, I have been sick, and I'm going to show you guys not footage of me being sick, but footage of last night's NCS meeting where we had Antal Naeus speak to us, who's a brilliant political cartoonist for the Washington Post. So I got a little bit of footage from her presentation, and then after that I'll show you the progress that I've made so far on page 60 of Quarterly Stories. I only managed to ink a panel, but I've been pretty sick, so I think that was pretty good. Other than that, let me show you that stuff, and then we'll call it a day. Oh, say hi to CK and to Bernie. These are my pups. Okay, so this is the panel that I inked tonight. I didn't manage to get any footage of it because, like I said, it's a sick day, so I haven't really been feeling my best. But I did get my 30 minutes in, and now I'll show you the Antal Naeus stuff.
You can understand separation of power. So I like to put a little, little crown on top of his head. And of course his little golf cart that you can't see about, you won't walk anywhere. You can still do them as a ham, another food, as well as inanimate objects. And I find that eggs work really well with members of the. I'm like, no, just make sure you say it's mine and that time for DNA was the year. They have specific things that they want to get through when they're doing, DNA, cutting back on them. He says it, I get to say it. So I've used it once. I don't know if you heard about this one. This was a big Washington story about how Pence gave Vice President Pence gave a long interview about how he never attends a dinner in Washington to see other women unless his wife is with him.
Alright, so that'll do it. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the footage from the NCS meeting, and I will see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully I'll be feeling a little more rested and better. Alright, till then, I'll see you guys tomorrow.